Hey guys, Sean Foster SE Mods here, and I'm just going to go over again really quick the install of the hose barb, like this, a straight hose barb that goes on many applications, pretty much anything where the sound tube connects directly to the side of an intake, like this here. This is a MAF housing on a S550. So Cobra Jets, the Roush 18 to 20s, and all the S550s are, as a matter of fact, all of the Mustang applications 15 to 20 are going to use this method here, where you just go straight through with a hose barb. So in the video before, I showed you how to install the 90. I'm going to show you how to install the straight hose barb piece here. You can see it's kind of wet with grease. You're going to need that, and you're also going to need to grease the grommet. So this is the hole I drilled before. This is the grease that you get in your kit there, so you're going to use that to do this. All you do is you take it inside, and you're going to slip from the inside. You're going to punch this through. And that's it. Once it's through, it's really tight. And from there, you're going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit, and then you're going to install your sound tube. So basically, while you're pushing the sound tube on, you're going to need to hold the inside of this here, right? So you're going to hold that, and then you're going to push the end of the sound tube on. This is the same material, it's just not a finished piece here, but you're basically going to be holding it and twisting this on, and you're going to seat it all the way like you see here. So as you can see inside, the hose barb is flat against the inside of the grommet, and this is nice and tight. And if you want, I usually supply a couple extra zip ties. You can zip tie this edge here, right where the hose barb on the very end, and that keeps the hose barb on. But I tell you, once this sets up and dries, and you wouldn't think this grease dries, but this stuff in a way does. It sets up. This stuff does not move. So that's basically it for the straight through hose barb on the inlet pipe. Thank you for watching.